This is the Epomaker TH99 and it costs $83 and it could be your next keyboard. But let's go and find out. The first thing that really struck me when I took the TH99 out of the box was the build quality. It's extremely sturdy, it doesn't flex or creak, it feels like it's made from a single block of aluminum, which is really strange to say considering it's completely made of ABS plastic. All of it. Absolutely all of it. The structure is made up of two parts, an upper and a lower part that form the base of the keyboard. The solid build quality is confirmed by its weight, 1.14 kilograms. Aesthetically, it's really beautiful, especially if you go for this black version with this white accent on the ESC key, Enter key, Arrow key and the space bar. Very minimalist, but if black isn't your thing, there is also a fresher all blue color. I really like how the layout is divided. The Epomaker TH99 has an 1800 layout with 102 keys. At the moment it's only available with a QWERTY ANSI US 96 layout and there is no ISO version. This might disappoint many of us living in Europe. It's not a deal breaker, but it would have been nice to have more layout options. The distinctive feature of any full-size keyboard is the numpad, and the TH99 doesn't make any exception. The TH99 has a clear separation between the numpad and the main part of the keyboard. This setup is not so common. Many other manufacturers with the same layout prefer more compact solution, sometimes even modifying the numpad, especially reducing the size of the zero key to that of a single key, whereas the zero key in the TH99 is recognizable. It's a two-key size, not just one. This attention to detail in the design can be found throughout the TH99. On the back, here in the center, there is a large metal badge with a lot of engraved text such as Epomaker logo and the model name. While simple, this detail gives the keyboard an elegant touch, making it look visually more refined and in a sense more premium. It looks much more expensive than it actually is. Additionally, it's equipped with 4 long rubber pads placed along the two longest sides of the case. These provide exceptional grip on the surface, keeping the keyboard firmly anchored to the desk. It doesn't slip even if you push it around a bit or accidentally bump the mouse into it. In addition to this, there is a set of adjustable feet with a rubber button offering the choice of 3 different angles: a low position, a middle position and a fully extended angle. On the top side we find the control panel with a variety of connection options. The USB Type-C port allows you to connect the keyboard to your PC or laptop and also to recharge the battery. Next to it is the free mode connectivity switch, which lets you choose between the 3 available connection modes: 2.4 GHz wireless, wired and Bluetooth 5.0. A second switch lets you select the operating system between macOS and Windows. If you're wondering, yes, it's also compatible with Android. Finally, there is a small groove designed to store the 2.4 GHz USB dongle when it's not in use, keeping it safe and easily accessible. But let's go to the core of the TH99. The keycaps on the Epomaker TH99 have a cherry profile. They are made of a PBT plastic and are double shot. The surface is matte, providing a nice texture that gives a comfortable feel. The font chosen for the character fits perfectly with the overall design, creating a visually balanced look. But the real highlight of the TH99 is under the keycaps. The new Epomaker Creamy Jade switches. These linear switches are super quiet. Listen. The actuation force is a 45 plus minus 5 grams force, and the bottom out occurs at 50 plus minus 5 grams force, providing a very satisfying response. The pre-travel is 2.0 plus minus 0.4 mm with a total travel of 3.6 plus minus 0.4 mm. An interesting detail is that these switches are not currently available for purchase on the Epomaker site, making them exclusive to the TH99. The ones that most closely resemble them both aesthetically and in technical specification are the Epomaker Jade Blossom switches. When pressed, these switches offer an extremely smooth movement, thanks largely to the pre-lubing done at the factory. This is a rare feature in a keyboard at this price range. Also enhancing the typing experience are the plate mount stabilizer, which ensures smooth and stable movement of a longer scale. Another interesting feature is the backlighting, the south-facing LED offering uniform and pleasant lighting. You can also adjust the brightness and apply different lighting effects directly from the keyboard. Lastly, the switches are mounted on a flex-cut hot-swappable PCB, meaning you can replace them without soldering. It's compatible with both a 3-pin and a 5-pin switches, giving you plenty of freedom if you want to change the stopping feature. If you want to try different switches or upgrade the keyboard, you can simply remove the installed ones and insert new ones. Super easy, right? But how does it sound so good? In addition to the amazing switches we have just seen and heard, another factor contributing to this pleasant typing experience with a talky yet soft sound is the exceptional work done in the design of a gasket mount system. To fully appreciate this feature, I need to open the keyboard, and here I need to make a small digression. If you are used to opening the keyboard, you might not appreciate the assembly system of a TH99. The top case and the bottom case are joined together by clips, a mounting system I personally don't love. I found it a bit inconvenient. There is always the risk of damaging the plastic or scratching it when prying at the clips areas, unless you are very careful. It's a long process, really long. The first time I opened it, it took me about 5 minutes. Honestly, I would much prefer a couple of screws, a simple, quick opening system that would be more suitable for a feature modification or just checking inside quickly. That said, let's get to what really matters. The gasket mount system work is excellent. It consists of 5 different layers of sound-absorbing material: Poron sandwich pad, IXPE switch pad, PET sound enhancement pad, bottom Poron, and finally a bottom silicone layer. This last layer further reduced a background noise, giving the keyboard a soft sound with that talk we love. As mentioned, the Epomaker TH99 supports 3-mode connectivity. Each connection mode has a different latency. With a Bluetooth 5.0, the latency is higher at 11 milliseconds. Switching to the 2.4 GHz wireless connection bring the latency down to just 5 milliseconds. If you opt for a wired USB connection, you can achieve even lower latency down to 2 milliseconds. Regarding pulling rate, when the keyboard is connected via cable or 2.4 GHz wireless, it can reach a pulling rate of 1000 Hz. In Bluetooth mode, the pulling rate drops to 125 Hz, which is more than sufficient for daily use. I must say that the TH99 connection has always been flawless regardless of a mode chosen, with no issue at startup or stability. And if you are wondering about the battery life, well, it lasts a long time. The TH99 is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery. Sure, it's far from the massive 8000 mAh battery of the Aula F99, but it gets the job done. It offers an impressive battery life of up to 800 hours without backlighting. With backlighting on, the battery life is reduced to about half, but is still quite good. And checking the battery level is super easy. Just press a specific key combination and the number 1 to 0 will light up, indicating the remaining battery percentage. Now, let's talk a bit about the software side. The TH99 isn't compatible with VIA or QMK, but don't worry, we'll be happy to hear that Epomaker has developed dedicated software which is easily downloadable from their official site. With this software, the keyboard is fully customizable. We'll have a wide range of options to tailor it to our needs. We can remap keys, set macro, turns the numpad into a macro pad to speed up our workflow, and even adjust the backlighting effect without any problem. The only downside is that this software is only available for Windows. If you are a Mac OS user, unfortunately, you won't have the access of this advanced feature. In the end, the Epomaker TH99 is a truly excellent keyboard that offers a lot for just $83. Its design is minimalist, clean, and most importantly visually appealing, while its build quality is incredibly solid. The only slight downside is the clip-based assembly system. Epomaker, please add the screw. The sound quality is another strong point. The keyboard produced a talky but at the same time soft sound. This is thanks to the fantastic Epomaker creamy jade switches, which offer great linear and quiet feedback combined with the excellent Gascade mode quality that further enhances the typing experience. And then there is the numpad, always useful, an addition many users will appreciate. Another thing worth mentioning is the presence of a dedicated driver especially designed for TH99. Many keyboards in the same price range don't offer proprietary software or driver, so this is definitely a big plus. However, if you are not a fan of factory drivers and prefer to use VIA or QMK to customize your keyboard, you might want to consider the Epomaker Galaxy 100, which supports those two software options but costs $27 more. That said, for just $83, the Epomaker TH99 is undoubtedly one of the best value pre-built keyboard available today. Personally, I think the TH99 is unbeatable for this price range, at least until the next keyboard comes along. Okay, what do you think of a new Epomaker TH99? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like. Huge thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.